And now let me here print. I'm gonna print the Mercedes dot speed. Print and then Mercedes dot speed. Now if you save and run your script, let me run my script and show you what's gonna happen. So if you run your script, let me first clear out my terminal and then let me run my script. If you run your script, guess what? You are gonna get Mercedes and then black and then 50. Why did we get black and 50 even though the car here I did not pass black and 50? The reason is because Python by default is gonna use these values if you don't pass anything to this function, to the object. If you pass empty here, empty parameters, Python is automatically gonna assign these values to your object. So the default color is gonna be black and the default speed is gonna be 50. And whenever you want to change these values, you can use set color and get color. And also you can use set speed and get speed.